Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and behind me I got my Maserati Gran Turismo and my C7 Corvette. So today I'm gonna do a rep battle between the two cars so we can listen to the different exhaust sounds. But I'm letting the Maserati get warm because it's been sitting. The Corvette's already warm, so that one's good to go. But in the meantime, let's talk about how they differ and how they're similar. So they're similar in a lot of ways. They're both V8 engines. The Maserati is a 4.7 built by Ferrari. The Corvette is a 6.2 liter V8. They're both naturally aspirated, so no turbo, no supercharger. In my opinion, a naturally aspirated engine just makes the best sound. So they're both cross-plane crankshaft. So Italian, American. So letting them warm up a little bit, see how differently they sound. Let's start out with the Corvette. I think the Maserati is already warm. All right, we're gonna do like 4,000 RPMs. So I meant 4,000, but I guess we're doing 45. Alrighty, let's try the Maserati. Alright, I guess we'll shut off the Corvette. So what do you guys think? So in a way it might be an unfair comparison because the Corvette does not have the performance exhaust. That happened to be a $1,200 option, and then Maseratis, you know, from factory, they just sound this awesome. But the Corvette still sounds really good. I like the sound that it's got. Just Maserati, those got a distinctive sound, very unique. It's one of my favorite things about this car. It's just the way that it sounds. It makes driving more enjoyable to get to listen to that sound, hearing those shifts, those downshifts, going underneath a bridge, under a tunnel. So what do you guys think about the two exhaust sounds?